If you make a purchase using a handwritten check, or if you want QuickBooks Online to print a check for you, you need to enter a check in QuickBooks. We'll show you how to record a check and how to print it out right from QuickBooks. If you want to order checks from QuickBooks, there is a link in the description where you can do that. Navigate to Create and then Check. First, enter the payee, which is who you're paying with the check. You can choose from a list of people who are already in QuickBooks, or you can select Add New to add someone. Then select the bank account the money will come from. You can see the balance that QuickBooks has for that account here. Fill in the correct payment date for the check. If you are printing a check, that will usually be today. If you are recording a handwritten check, change this to the date that you wrote the check. Then record the check number here. If you want to print this check later, select this box. This enters the check into the print queue, and you can print it either by itself or in a batch with other checks. Under Category, tell QuickBooks the reason why you're writing this check. In the description, you can enter a more detailed description of why you're spending this money. In the Amount field, enter the amount of money you're spending. Now save and close. If you just need to record a handwritten check that you already wrote, then you're done. Now to record a check to print later, select All Apps, then Expenses and Bills, and then Expense Transactions. Select Print Checks to view your print queue. Select the correct account from the drop-down. Select the check you want to print and click Preview and Print. Standard checks have 3 checks per page, while voucher checks have 1 and check stubs. Select Print in QuickBooks again, and then use the printer icon as the final printing step. Now close out of the print preview. If the checks printed correctly, select Yes, they all printed correctly. If any checks printed incorrectly, select Some checks need reprinting, then enter the first check number you need to fix. Then select Done. Checks that were printed correctly are removed. Any checks still left to reprint or kept in the print queue will stay in the list. When the check is cashed at a later date, you'll need to match that bank transaction with the check you just recorded. At the end of this video, we have links to videos to show you how to do this when your bank account is connected to QuickBooks and how to do it manually. Now you're ready to record and print your own checks in QuickBooks.